Hey guys, how you doing? Today, I just went to the eye doctor and got my new glasses. My old ones broke. They're the same glasses, but they're just black, which I actually prefer compared to the other ones I had. I have been getting rid of stuff in my house, and I just got rid of a whole bunch of clothes. So I'm actually heading over to the grocery store where I buy my t-shirts, and I'll bring you with me because I just need some basic solid t-shirts. This one right now is the Montreal Canadiens. I just need some solid color shirts, and some of mine were worn out. So let's go to the grocery store. I'll see if they have a few t-shirts on sale, and then we'll head home and I'll show you what I've been up to. All right, let's go. Just back from the grocery store. I ended up getting, I'm trying to find a place to put you. I got a tank top, just in white. I got this t-shirt, which I thought was cute. This little flowy sleeves, little tie in the back. And then I got this denim shirt, but it has short, like 3/4 length sleeves. They're kind of puffy, it's cute. I thought that'd be cute with the tank top. Yeah, sorry if the sound is weird. I've got air or fans going on in here. We bought that this year. It's like an LG air conditioner unit. It's just for this room. And we put black foam board in the window just to kind of keep it private because this won't go down. And then we just bought this like bag thing that goes in the window because we have those like roll out windows. Works really well. I'm just going through my closet, and the thing I find is that everything I own has words on it. I've got Maui, I have Canada, I have Mickey Mouse, I have Bermuda, I have the Lucky Charms guy. Although that's really cute, I like that. All right, I'm doing good. This bin was completely full of clothes. It was under my hanging rack on the bottom, and it was driving me crazy because I couldn't really push all the clothes in like on the hangers because the bin was in the way. That was completely full. I had shorts that I had bought a few years ago. Look, I'll prove it to you. They're in the bag out here. Ta-da, here's the bag. So the shorts were cute and they're in really good condition. Where'd they go? They're in really good condition, but the problem is they're like a 5 or 7 inch inseam, and I think it's 7, and I prefer Bermuda short length. I just like my legs covered up. So even when I had lost some weight, I still wasn't comfortable in that length. So yeah, those are going. And I had some pants that I've wore years ago when I worked at the printing company. Those are gone. The only things I kept from that bin are my Walt Disney World capris track pants, these shorts that I bum around in, like if I was, I don't know, paint. God, those can probably go. Maybe I can take the little patch off them. It has the Disney patch. Anyway, I used to wear those with housework, and now I wear different track pants. I have these white capris. I got them on. They're a little tight, but I love them, and they're so cute. I wore them on a cruise in 2014. 7 years ago, I wore them on a cruise. I don't need them, do I? I think they're really cute because they don't look like old lady capris. No offense to the old ladies. I am the old lady out there. I have to hold on to them. I'm going to keep them. And then I have these camo pants. These are like actually military pants, and they are so freaking comfortable. They're heavy as hell, but if I do yard work, like I know I use them. Oh my God, I'm like justifying everything. You know when I wore those last? Kerrigan was a baby and we lived in New Brunswick, and I used to clear the forest when they would go down for a nap, and I would take the baby monitor out with me. Brayden was 3 and Kerrigan was an infant, and I used to like crawl around in the woods that was behind our house, and I cleared it all, and we put their swings up in the woods, and we had their little climbing frame. I probably don't need those anymore. I haven't worn them here. I did wear them in Seattle. They're so good. Like, they're good pants if you're gonna like crawl around in the dirt, because you don't get wet. Like, they're so thick. Okay, well, you know what? I'm gonna keep them, because if if I went through that entire bin and I keep 3 pairs of pants, I think that's pretty good. So I'm gonna allow myself to have these pants, the white capris for my next cruise, the capri Disney things, and then I'll let the other Disney shorts go. Okay. And the other thing I'm doing is I'm actually trying this stuff on when I do this. So here we go. We won't even get into Scott's stuff. His is pretty good. He keeps, you know, he's got jerseys and his Hawaiian. He'll be like, stop talking about my stuff. Okay. All right, here we go. I'll show you what I'm keeping. So there's my sweaters, and that's actually a scarf for the Sounders soccer team in Seattle. But yeah, those are my sweaters at this point. I'm gonna just see how winter goes and the fall and see what I end up wearing. These are my kind of good tops. They're either solid or they're more like a blouse or something. These t-shirts have like concert names, like that's my Taylor Swift one, stuff like that. They have like a name or a, you know, logo or something on them. And then these are my sweatshirts. And then down here are my pants and shorts and capris. So I really cut it down a lot, and I'm very proud of myself. I was hanging on to too many things that either didn't fit or weren't comfortable, and they're gone. And I have space in my closet now, and I was holding on to pants that might fit someday. That's so stupid. So I might pare things down more, but I think that was a pretty good start for today. The other thing I did recently was I went through our hall closet, and I got rid of some bags and purses and stuff like that. So yeah, and a lot of my scarves. So felt good about that. So yeah, I'm just gonna kind of continue going through the house and see what else I can get rid of. But it feels good. It feels very good. That bag is like up to my hip, so I think I did good. All right, I will be back with some more videos soon. All right, take care, guys. See ya.